Hi, I am Amber, one of the sleep experts here at GhostBed. In this video, I'll show you how to use the massage function on your GhostBed Adjustable Base. Here at GhostBed, we're known for having all the bells and whistles on our adjustable base, all at an affordable price. Head and foot massage is just one of those luxury features that our customers love. The best part? It's easy to use and can provide some much needed relief after a long day. To start your massage, simply grab your remote and press the on-off button or the head or foot button. Pressing the on-off button will automatically start your last used settings. Pressing the head or foot button will start the lowest intensity setting and allow you to cycle through low, medium, and high intensity. You can also select from a variety of preset modes, including short pulses, fast pulses, rolling pulses, and more. To explore your options, simply press the mode button and cycle through until you find the setting that's perfect for you. When you're ready to stop your massage, just press the on-off button again. You can also use the timer function. Press the timer button and you'll see an LED light flash above the 10-minute marker. Press timer again to jump to a 20-minute timer and again to jump to a 30-minute timer. Your massage will automatically end at the designated time. Perfect for drifting off to sleep while getting your massage. Give it a try next time you're winding down for the night. Your muscles will thank you. Hope this helps. If you still have questions about the GhostBed Adjustable Base or its massage features, please don't hesitate to ask. We're here to help.